I always see myself with the progression of my career and everything as always being in conservation and tourism. And even with the zoos especially, they bring in tourists and they bring in the conservation and they just link it perfectly together. So I'm Maddy, I am one of the senior keepers on the natives team, so that role sort of covers over our beautiful native birds and reptiles all the way through to our amphibians too. Getting into this industry and into this role, it's been an interesting sort of roller coaster, but it's also always felt very right. I've always been very passionate and driven in this sort of angle, so I've always loved my animals, and then I've really just had a massive adoration for conservation. In school I did a lot of science and biology, and as soon as I was old enough I was volunteering because I wanted to try and just get any step in just so I could be involved and learn and grow. So my favourite thing about working here and about my job in general is definitely the breed to release. And then advocacy is always a massive thing. I love advocacy talks, so it's actually why Orana's really here. It's our main effort, main messaging, not only in conservation but the advocacy of it as well.